Mag ik een heel groot applaus voor Evelien?
Jenny grew up wild like a blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with the blue tick hounds. Broke his hound, blessed with beauty, kind of the rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of her mouth dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had to lose, he had to mention, and you could figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. She was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking his last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing, and all people love that whole choir singing, singing. Boy, let me close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Yeah, listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Jenny was hosting jubilee parties and never knew at the country club. Everyone thought they were getting Barbie. The guy was always way too drunk. Saturday night, a few too many. He came home ready to fight. All his money could never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. He was all bruises, covering makeup, dark so glad.